Okay guys, so in this lesson we're going to do something that's going to be extremely important and it's going to affect how well we grow on Instagram. So we're going to look at top accounts in our industry or niche, and we're going to see what's working for them, and we're going to see if we can build on some of these ideas. So I recommend you spend a bit of time on your research, going through 5 or 10 accounts that relate to your niche, see what is working for them, how many times a day they're posting, see if we can grab some of these ideas and use them in our own account. So this is going to affect how well we grow. So like I said, spend a bit of time doing this and find 5 to 10 accounts in your niche. So it doesn't matter if you're a personal brand, personal account, or business account, you're going to want to look for accounts that relate to your niche and see what they're doing. So if we're a restaurant, we could go to 5, 10 top Instagram accounts that are in the restaurant niche, see what they're doing, see how many times a day they're posting, see if we can grab some of these ideas, put our own little spin on it, and use it on our own Instagram. So we're not reinventing the wheel, we're just taking what we know works and trying to build on it and put our own little spin on it to try and get as much engagement and growth on our Instagram account as we can. So if we are a personal brand, we might want to look at some of the top YouTubers on Instagram, some of the top bloggers on Instagram, or if we are a photographer, we could look at some of the top photographers on Instagram and see what they're doing, see what they're posting, how many times a day they're posting. So to do this, we're just going to hit search and we're going to start searching for some of the top accounts in our niche. So I think Zoella is a big blogger, personal brand. So this is more of a personal account, so we can see here what's working. So to start this, instead of having it in the grid mode, we're going to have it in a single view mode, so we can have a better look at how much engagement these accounts are getting and how many times a day or week they're posting. So to do this, as you can see here, just below sort of these stories, we have the grid mode on the left hand side, and this is in the middle of the screen, by the way. Then we have the singular view in the middle here in the center. So I'm just going to hit that, and as you can see, we've turned over to a more singular view so we can get a better look at these images. So as you can see, this image here of her seeming to shop has got 500,000 likes, so that's obviously done really well. This image here has got only 400,000 likes. So this is more of a comedy picture, and it seems to have done better than this selfie. This Christmas tree here. So seeming that Zoella is posting once or twice a week. Picture of a dog. It's done considerably less engagement. Another shot here. 600,000 likes, so obviously this has done extremely well. And we're just going to scroll through and see what's done well and see how much engagement each image is getting, so we can grab some ideas of what is actually doing well. So again, we can do this for every single niche, doesn't matter what niche you're in, we can take these ideas and run with them. So if we were a photographer, let's look at Peter McKinnon. He's a big photographer, and again we're just going to go to single mode view. We're just going to scroll through and see what's doing well. So this shot here, it's 100,000 likes. This shot here has almost half that. So obviously this shot of Peter McKinnon is a much better, gets much better engagement. So he's seeming to be posting twice a week. Yeah, so he seems to post twice a week. So this would be a great benchmark for us to start with. Go scroll through and just see what works and does better with his fans. Like I said, I recommend you spend a bit of time doing this. just scrolling through people's Instagram accounts, top Instagram accounts that relate to your niche. Now, if these Instagram accounts have, say, 100,000 followers but only get 100 likes, ignore that Instagram account. We only want top Instagram accounts that have a good amount of followers and a good amount of engagement. We don't want anything less than that. We want to see what we know is working, and we're going to try and build on that. So spend a bit of time on it. Follow 5 to 10 accounts that relate to your niche. See what's doing well, how many times a week they're posting, so we can try and grab some of these ideas and use them on our own account.